Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream that doesn't melt. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally straight from the refrigerator, with a milk fat content of at least 36%. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for about 15 minutes beforehand is also crucial. This helps maintain a low temperature, which is key for stable whipped cream. Finally, opt for powdered sugar over granulated sugar. It dissolves more easily and contributes to a smoother, more stable texture. To truly prevent melting, consider adding a stabilizer. Gelatin is a popular choice. Bloom 1/4 teaspoon in 1 tablespoon of cold water, then gently warm it until dissolved before slowly whisking into your cream. Another option is cornstarch, using about 1 teaspoon per cup of heavy cream, which helps absorb excess moisture. Cream of tartar, a common baking ingredient, also works wonders by providing acidity that strengthens the cream's structure and prevents it from weeping. The way you whip your cream significantly impacts its stability. Begin by whipping on a low speed to incorporate air evenly, then gradually increase to medium-high. Watch closely as the cream thickens. You're aiming for medium-firm peaks that hold their shape but still have a slight curl at the tip. Overwhipping can lead to a grainy, butter-like consistency, so stop just before stiff peaks form. This careful technique ensures a light, airy, and long-lasting whipped cream. Proper storage is essential for extending the life of your stable whipped cream. Always transfer it to an airtight container and keep it refrigerated. When stabilized correctly, your whipped cream can maintain its beautiful texture and freshness for up to 3 days, making it perfect for advanced preparation. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your perfectly stable, delicious whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.